We're making gluten-free ravioli. It's a full-length video with a link to the perfect sauce at the end. So let's go! Today we're using a food processor to make the dough. Blend it till it balls up and comes off from the sides. It's fine to make small adjustments if you need to. Now knead by hand to make a smooth ball. Wrap it and let it hydrate for 30 minutes in the fridge. Pat it as flat as possible and start feeding it at the widest setting. Each time, tidy it up, fold it over, keep sending it at the same setting until it comes together. Then, begin reducing the setting until you get to number 5. Madonna, look how nice that is. Stuff each ravioli with a tablespoon of filling and set aside. If you plan to freeze them, place them in the freezer on a cookie sheet that's dusted with cornmeal. Once they're chilled, place them in a freezer bag. Carefully place them in salted, gentle, boiling water. Once the edges are tender, scoop them out carefully. It should only take a few minutes. Add your favorite marinara or even a meat sauce for some contrast. Then top it off with some freshly grated Parmesan. Please like and share it with your friends, but above all, enjoy. And go to gfgiacomo.com for more recipes, gluten-free tips, and take a look at the online store. We'll see you next time.